Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get the ginger filter effect on Instagram. Okay, to get started, you want to go ahead and log into your Instagram account. Alright, this is my face without the effect, and this is the effect. You're going to see it right now. Okay, wait for it. There we go. That is the effect. You can see I can actually change the color of my eyes. You can see, change it again and change it again, and you can change the color of the size of your eyebrow by simply tapping on the screen. You can see, so you can also adjust this bar here. That's the opacity of the effect itself. Right, so to get this effect on your Instagram, what you need to do is to visit this page. So the name is Sasha underscore soul underscore art, and you need to go ahead and follow this person. You need to follow her in order to activate the effect on your own account. Okay, so you want to go ahead and click on her post, and then you want to go ahead and search for the effect. Okay, you just want to go down and down. So what we're looking for, we're looking for the ginger effect. Okay, alright, so that is the ginger effect right there. I'm gonna go ahead and click it on the top, at the top right. So you can see this is the preview of the effect. You want to click on try it at the bottom here to activate the effect for yourself. Okay, so once you're here, you can see the effect is already active. You can just tap on this page here and then click on save. Okay, save effect saved. Okay, save effect saved. All right, you just want to tap on that ginger, okay, to save the effect. All right, so I've already showed you how to use this effect. Alright guys, you want to go ahead and subscribe to my channel to continue encouraging me, to help me create more content like this for you. Alright, you want to like also to help more people find my content. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.